Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about string methods in Python. So guys, now let's begin. First of all, we're going to talk about slicing a string. So here I'm going to comment this. Slicing is. Now guys, next we're going to create a variable called name. And guys, now here you can see in this variable I'm going to store my name. So guys, first let's see the length of this variable. So you have to see the length of this variable, then we can use len method. We have already talk about this. Now guys, now you have to print this. And guys, here you can see 6. Then the length of this is 6. So guys, remember Python counts from 0. So guys, this is 0, name is 0, then this is second, then third, then fourth, fifth, sixth. So like this, these have 6 letters. And guys, now first of all, I'm going to comment here. Python counts from counts counts from 0. Now guys, now let's talk about slicing a string. So guys, if you want to print yes here, then guys we can use this method called this method. And guys, first of all we have to print name. Then guys, after this we have to write big bracket here, and in this big bracket we can type 0. So guys, like this. Now guys, now if you done this, then guys you can see yes. So now you have to put 1 over here. Then guys, this is going to print a. Like this guys, you can use you can print a letter of a string. Now guys, now let's talk about more in string slicing. So guys, now you have to type. So guys, now you have to type print name, then this, then this big bracket, and guys, and over here you type 0 colon and 0 colon 3. Then guys, this is going to print here. This is going to print 0 to 3. So 0 is yes, and 0 1 2 3 is y. But this is going to this is not going to print third number. So that's why this we're only going to print this 3, 0 to 3. Here you can see the result. And guys, now if you type here, and guys, now if you type here 1 2 3, then this is going to print, then this is going to print ANT. So you can see ANT. So guys, like this you can use string slicing in Python. Now guys, now you have to print name, and guys over here you put this. Then guys, this is going to print. Then guys, this is going to print G. So this is same as 0 to 4. So this is same as 0 colon 4. So guys, I'm going to comment this. This is same as 0 colon 4. So guys, remember this is same as 0 colon 4. So guys, now if you print this, then guys you can see yes ATY. And guys, now you print name 0 name 0 colon 4. Then guys, you can see use ATY. So this is same. These two are same. Guys, now I'm going to comment all of these. Guys, now you have to print 1 colon. Then guys, this is same as, so this is same as this is, so this is same as 1 colon 0. So this is same as this. Then guys, now if they print this, then guys, you can see nothing will happen, because here I have to print name. Then guys, here we have to put big bracket, and over here again we have to close this big bracket. Now guys, now if you run this, then guys, you can see ATYAM. So this is going to print like this. This is going to this is going to print like this, ATYAM. So guys, now we're going to talk about some string functions. Here I'm going to comment this STI string functions. So guys, now we're going to talk about string functions. First of all, I'm going to comment all of these. Now guys, now let's talk about string functions. So here I'm going to type name equal to Satyam Misra. Now guys, now you have to type name print name dot ends with then Python. Now guys, now you have to print this, and guys, you can see false. So this means this is not equal with Python. Now if you type Mr., then guys, you're gonna see this will return true, because this is yes with Mr. And guys, you can see Mr. and Mr. This ends with Mr. So guys, like this we can check if this ends with this or not. So guys, now if you type print name dot replace, and guys, now if you type here the old letter, and guys, I'm gonna type this, and guys, now you type the new number called I'm gonna type here Python. Now guys, if you print this, then guys, this will return Python. So this has replaced the first number. So guys, like this we can use replace method. And guys, now let's talk about capitalize method. So guys, you have to capitalize the first letter of this. So I'm going to capitalize this, yes, and then guys, we can use this method called capitalize. So name dot capitalize. Now guys, now you have to print this, then guys, you can see Satyam. So this is capitalized. Now if you print name dot find then a word here. So I'm going to type here Misra. Then guys, now if you run this, then guys, you can see 7. So this letter is in 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is on 7. So you can see this is on 7. Now guys, now you want to convert this name into uppercase. So guys, you want to convert this into uppercase, then guys, you can use uppercase method. So for example, print print name dot uppercase upper. So guys, now you can see Satyam inside this has converted this into uppercase. So guys, now if you want to convert this into lowercase, then you can use lower method. So name dot lower. Now if you type this, then you can see this is on the lowercase. So guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you learn Python there, guys, please make sure to access this Python playlist. You will get the link of this playlist in the description. So guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.